Vauxhall Meriva. So my idea to go into the main dealer and get the PIN code and use an Comm or Autel to extract the code, blah blah blah, ain't going to work. So I got an interesting phone call from Joe this morning from V for Vauxhall, and he told me this is a later model, the 2010-2011, and that, I think Joe said that goes under the GM Global A. So you can't do what you used to do in the Corsa C. So what we then discussed to do was go to this company here, ECU Testing, and see if they can help us out here. So I contacted them, and they said what to do is send this unit in, and they'll have a look at it, and they can try and rebuild it. And if they can't do anything with it, there'll be no cost. So that's fair enough. The other thing they said, that they would come and pick it up. So we just leave it at the garage, box it up, they'll pick it up and take it away. So I'll let you know how we get on. So our original idea, coding it in with the PIN code, will not work in the Comm. I tried Comm, tried Autel, nothing would do the job, and it has to be virginized. But Joe did come up with a very good idea. So what he said to me was, see this ECU is very common on Vauxhalls. This E83. So he says it's on Astras, Corsas and Merivas. So he said in order to save you time in the future rather than checking your powers and grounds and your earth and your CAN communication, just keep this ECU here and plug it right in, and if you have communication with this because you know this is a good unit, it can communicate, your checks are done. So it'll save you an hour or so that you know it's done and you need another ECU. So I'm going away on holiday, and I'll let you know when I get back if they can do anything for us. Cheers.